What's up, guys? I am back with another video. My hands hurt. I believe I slipped on my hand last night. It hurt me so bad. Okay, so I am going to do a video and they're dry too. I just washed my hands. I'm doing laundry. But I'm home today and I'm going to do a beauty video for you guys. So tell me what you think in the comment section and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You see how I look? I look raga raga. You know your ear is your beauty. So I'm gonna dive you in on how normally I go to the hairdresser, but today I feel like to just do this and show you guys how I set up my hair. You see I look like a man today, a boy or whatever. But you know your ear is your beauty. And I love short hair, but since I start wearing the wigs, I realize like my earline is going away. So I'm gonna try to start doing my hair myself at home, because sometimes I ask the hairdresser not to put the glue up here, and I think that's what's damaging my edge. And I never really have edge in the first place, but it's getting worse. So let's dive into this video. Like it. Please like the video, okay? All right, so this wig, let me show you. This wig here, I washed it last night. I took it off and I washed it last night. So I'm going it dry. It smells so good. I use shampoo 5-in-1 with conditioner, because that's what I use wash my hair, and I use it to wash this as well. So there it is. So this is the wig. It already have this thing to hold on to it, and it's a lace front wig. This wig, believe me, I have wig that I washed like 10 times already, and when you wash them, they actually come back looking really nice. So my hands hurt. Oh my god, my hand. All right, first I am going to, let's put on my wig first. My hands hurt. I don't know if I can be able to do this video because my hand is hurting me. So first I'm gonna do a stocking head. Oh, I need the scissors. I need to cut the stocking head because I don't want it to squeeze my head. I have a big head, so I'm gonna just cut it just right here. Cut it. So I cut it so that it don't squeeze my head. And then I'm gonna just put this on. Right. And oh, I leave the comb, I leave everything, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put this wig on. It's already tightened and it have this comb in the back to hold it, even though I don't have any here, but it's fine. So I don't want it on my edge. Too much pressure. Oh my god, my hand. I need to get the comb, guys. You know, first I think I want to braid this. I want to braid it, but I need to glue it first. Hands hurt. My hands really, really hurt. Okay, so what I'm going to use is Got2b glue spray. Okay, Got2b glue spray is what I'm going to use. They have other glues, but this doesn't damage my hair like. Okay, let me take this off for a minute. I am going to. But once it dry, you got it there for a day or so. But just not to get these hair glue on my head to damage it, because it's damaging my hairline. And I don't want to look girly, even though you're home. You want to look girly to hold it down. Even though it didn't make for this, but all right. I'm using this to hold it down for a minute, okay? While I put on my little makeup thingy. I have a whole bunch of stuff in here. So, I'm using MAC NC50. This is what I'm using, MAC NC50. And I need my glasses. Where is it? I'm using MAC A. Let me see. So that's the foundation. And I do have the foundation in this as well. And then but I'm not gonna use that. I'm just gonna make it very simple because I'm not really a makeup person. And then I'm gonna use the powder. So it doesn't show the shade on here. Okay, so there it is. I'm just gonna use the powder to do the finishing. So I'm using the foundation. Guys, I come on here and I'm not prepared. I'm really not. I'm just opening this. And okay. I know. I'm not supposed to do this, right? Because I'm putting it back. But the good thing about it, I am the only one who use my stuff. You see this bump I have here? Listen, when I use this foundation, that's all I really needed on my face. I don't really need much, you know? My face is not that bad with like acne. So I really don't. I have a cut right here, so I just cover this one. I just need a tad of stuff. I don't have to use a whole bunch of makeup on my face. And that just it. When I'm going anywhere, that's it. I don't crowd in my face with anything. I have all kind of stuff here. The eyeliner, the this, some of these I bought these stuff and I don't even use them. You know what I mean? So I buy this this from Victoria's Secret. I buy something from MAC lately. I think this is, yeah, I bought this from MAC lately. So, yeah. Because my lips, I don't need anything really. I have nice lips, guys. Okay, I have nice lips. What do you think? All right, so what do I need? Just waiting for this to dry. What do I need else? I don't use eyeliner. Okay, so I'm gonna use the powder now, and I'm just gonna seal this because this is like a seal. I don't do much to my face. So the powder is a little lighter because it come back to match up with my skin, but the foundation, the NC50 is the best thing for me. So see that? I don't need much. So I put my brush in here and I keep it sealed. What else? I'm done doing makeup. You see that? Simple. So let's see how my hair looks. See how my hair looks. Okay. You know what? I like it when it's braid. You know, I like it when it's braid. Yeah, feels alright. Yeah. I like my hair braid. I think I'm struggling to see. Let's do a little bit of this. Did you see how transition that was? Like for me to get my hair done in such a short space of time. Wig is the best, you guys. I have to pull it out. So let's do this. I need to catch up my hair in one and give it a ponytail. So that's what I'm gonna do. Ponytail it. Then I just kind of rumble it. It kind of look wiggy. I didn't want it to look wiggy, but it does look wiggy. So, what y'all think? It's fine to go on the road like this. I'm just gonna put a little powder on my my forehead. Dip. What you dip? With a whip. What you dip? With a whip. You know what I like? I like sidelines. with this right now, it look wiggy. I should have something scraping down here and not making it look so wiggy. Just kind of frill it out a little bit. You know, I need to get underneath the edges. Tell me what you guys think. Okay, so I'm done with this video right now, and let's come closer. What do you guys think? Do I look different? Do I look better? Do I look more beautiful with my natural? Let's put on my glasses because you guys see me with my glasses before. How do I look? What you dip? What you whip? What you dip? Yeah, I like it. I mean, it's just simple, quick, fixing up to go out on the street. Yeah. When I go to my hairdresser, I get it braid. I am not doing the braid so well, so I pull it out. But do you think this is simple? Yeah, simple, classy. Simple, simple, with a wrinkle. Not your dip, with a whip. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you all. Take care. And I am How. This is my quick get my hair done on my own. Okay? Adios. Love you all. Have a blessed day. You know, my hand was hurting me earlier. By just doing the makeup and the hair with you guys, I think it's get better. I'm going to finish my laundry and head out to the mall. What you dip? What a whip. So here is my simple ketchup in one hairstyle with a little light makeup to go every day, to go on the road with my wiggy. So tell me what you all think, and if you like it, give me a like. Simple.